Okay. So, hello. First, I'll introduce to myself. Okay. My name is Rohit, and I'm an application engineer from engineering technique as a SolidWorks application engineer. Okay. So, I'm a speaker of this webinar. This webinar is going on for most of customer which that customer is working with some say machinery working. Okay, and inside of that machine they are installing some electrical panel. Okay, and uh, how it's look like as a total solution from like electrical side, and with your electrical module like that machine is working process. Okay, so in this webinar, we will see the total solution of ECAD, MCAD, okay, like electrical and mechanical solution with our SolidWorks product. Okay, so this is the agenda. We are focused on that side. So first I'll introduce to my product like electrical product metric. Okay, and thereafter why SolidWorks will help you. Okay, and what exactly the process is going on in the during of design cycle time. Okay, how it's look like that schematic drawing. Okay, with the help of SolidWorks Electrical Schematic Professional, and what the features capabilities in the professional side like electrical professional features. Okay, and the key benefit of electrical and that 3D. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is the project. This is the product metric. Okay, we have a different types of product. Okay, that categorize wise. Okay, and that capability wise. Okay, first that SolidWorks schematic standard. They have a 2D capabilities with limitations. Okay, some features wise. Okay, and different features and different categories. It's available on different product. Okay, and then after the schematic professional they have full capabilities. Okay, but only 3D part is not with that part. Okay, and another thing, another one more product is there, SolidWorks electrical professional. They have a full capabilities. Okay, and that routing and mechanical collaboration it's possible with that product. Okay, so this is the product wise that benefit point. Okay, and if you more in information if you require, so please let me know. I'll explain you based on your requirement wise. Okay, and what the suitable part of that our product with your organization, we will help out you. Okay, so move on for the SolidWorks electrical product side. Why SolidWorks will help you to your design in your design process side. Okay, so it's like simply. Okay, first that SolidWorks electrical software is a very simply user friendly software. Okay, and it's provide a real time collaboration with your ECAD side. Okay, and as well as electrical product you help you to make your schematic design. Okay, and your schematic design means like your electrical design with power diagram or control diagram side. Okay, and they have some basic features like they can reduce your manufacturing defects. Okay, like how, if you ask me, then it's like directly to generate your BOM. Okay, easily to identify your that manufacturing data. Okay, and easily to apply that information with your drawing wise. Okay, so you can directly to get that as your drawing. Okay, that that basic things. Okay, and that integration with also that multi integration is there, so you can easily to collaborate your data with different machineries wise, and you can generate your 3D model assembly, POM, wire harnessing, routing, everything is possible with total solution of our schematic. Okay, so in right hand side that machine we have, okay, and inside of machine we are installing our electrical panel. So ECAD and MCAD collaboration also is possible with our solution, okay, and you can easily to share and you reuse your existing data, because if you're installing your data, it's a lifetime in data, it's available inside of SolidWorks, okay. So okay, this is the basic process of most of companies are using this process, like they are making our schematic with a different application, okay, and creating a schematic diagrams and another thing like schematic power diagram and drawing wise, okay, and thereafter they are going for third party softwares, okay, and generating BOM or either another different types of reports, okay, and after that they are verifying the drawings and BOM, or either somehow that some part is missing, then again they are going to draw side condition. So again that cycle will be start from the zero, and again that verification and documentation will be prepared, okay. So this is the most of companies they're following this kind of process, okay. So this one, okay. So in the our SolidWorks, this is easily we can generate our drawing and easily to directly to prepare our documentations, and they have some features wise also they can verify your drawings and reduce your time to make your drawing wise, okay. So let's see. So first of all we will see the schematic part of SolidWorks Electrical, okay. So in the right hand side single line diagram and multiple line diagrams, that two types of sheets are available, okay. So based on your requirement you can use it, okay. So let's see on, and we will go for the software side, okay, and we will just see how it's look like and how it's working, okay. So I'm just open my SolidWorks Electrical, okay. So this is the user interface of SolidWorks Electrical. This is the graphical area, and where documentations also easily to maintain your here, okay. This is a single line diagram, okay. Based on your requirement you just choose your symbols and you just drag and drop to here. As of now I have some symbols is required, so I'm just inserting here and to connect with my electrical database, okay, and just find out schematic symbol, other symbols, okay. See, this is the classification wise the segregation is there, okay. Based on your requirement you just choose your the symbols, okay, and you just drag in and drop it to like that, okay. If you drag and drop it, that marking also automatically will be update, okay, and at the moment you can apply your manufacturing data also. Based on your requirement you just select your manufacturer like Siemens or Schneider or different types of symbols manufacturing data is available, okay. So you just search out, okay. I'm just selecting some different uh, Siemens, okay. See, and circuit also if you require to just find out and select, then okay, then okay, okay. So that possible data will be automatically update here, okay, and I'm just connecting to from to destination symbol. So it's a very easy process, you just apply your symbol and just drag and drop it, and manufacturing data also available with SolidWorks database, okay. So you just drag and drop and apply your data manufacturer, okay, and the single line diagram. And also they can show you that some capabilities. If you double click it with your wire information, it will also showcase your data, like that connectivity with your wires, okay. And then also informations available, how much terminals are available in, how much terminals inside of wire are available. So it's this one also information with available, so you can easily track that thing also, okay. So I'm just going on the next part. So single line diagram, after that multiple schematic, okay. This is my power diagram, okay. I'm also inserting here also that symbol, motor symbol, because we have inserted that side, okay. So just selecting based on my requirement. I'm just here insert out and just apply, okay. In that moment, if you see here, M1 we have installed here and M2 we are already used, so it will automatically to update that next number. But I have a already existing symbol, so I'm just selecting that motor, okay. In preview window also showcase you, and if you click here, that information automatically to update here, okay. Now if you require to insert your terminal circuit and all, so you just select and just select here and update, okay. And terminal wise also you can select, see 19 number we have installing here, okay. And motor also connected with all, okay. See terminal also automatically to apply here, and numbering also update to sequence wise, okay. So see this one, okay. So single line diagram and multiple line diagram, like power diagram and control diagram, also possible with SolidWorks. You can easily to update here, and you just based on your requirement you just choose your bias schemes. Different bias schemes are available, so you can easily to generate here. Also you can apply that different things, okay. And just based on your requirement you just applied information, okay. So that schematic, they have capability to create your schematic drawing, okay. And single line diagram, multiple schematic, and also you can generate your BOM, okay. Let's see, more than 5000 sorry more than 5 lakh manufacturing data they have inside of database, okay. And also we have a ERP portal, okay. ERP portal also support you to different manufacturing data. You can download it from that site, in that website, or install in SolidWorks Electrical, okay. So overall design plan process you have already seen, that SLD and schematic diagram, like schematic and single line diagram you have seen here, okay. Based on your requirement you just draw in graphical area, okay. And you generate it here, okay. So again the next part is like that thing is also available, like if you select it, okay. And whatever the symbol you choose, you just go here and select it. You can directly to jump from like from single line diagram to multiple schematic. Either you have already inserted your GA diagram symbol also, so this one also side it will automatically to jump, okay. So biodirectionally link is there, so you can directly to select and jump it to check your symbol connections and that connectivity, okay. And also this features also pass out with your PDF site, okay. Like that intelligence also available inside of export PDF file, okay. So your customer also is selected any symbol, so it will directly to jump that symbol destination point, okay. See, like we just select here either anywhere, any kind of symbol. If you see here, select, and you just select and go it to jump, okay. So these capabilities also pass out with your PDF, okay. Now data reuse, like we have install our symbols and that connectivities. Okay, so any like in the control diagram we are installing our NONC circuit. Okay, so in that side also will help you to this bidirectional link, so you can directly to track your symbols track. Okay, like where we in which page you have installed your uh, like NONC circuit or either relay coil. Okay, and also this one is also help you to origin destination. You just double click it, it will automatically to jump the next page, either anywhere you have installed this origin destination mark. Okay, so this one also to help you to make your drawing as accurate and like with perfect with perfect like drawing size. Okay, so this one also micro symbols are insert, you can directly do drag and drop and you can make it your drawing. It's easy way. Okay, now that next part is a terminal strip drawing. Okay, terminal strip drawing, it's a very simple part. It's a, if you inserting here terminal uh, drawings. Okay, and you can directly to generate your drawing to here by using this way. Okay, and you just select which circuit we have inserted and you just draw. Okay, by using like that, and you just apply to generate. Okay, they can easily to track it and within a second they have generated as required symbol wise. Okay, and they can directly to introduce this thing. Wait a second, just close this one. In during of generate we are just selecting which configuration we have required. Okay, suppose we are just selecting any way and apply to generate. See, I have selected some another. I'm just selecting here. See that in front that X4 is generated, panel side there is no connectivity, and the destination point also to showcase some point where is the connection point if you have mentioned something. So it's custom data also to showcase like that, and that connectivity is pass out. This one is also directly to generate. Okay, so you can easily to generate your terminal strip drawing. Okay, without any extra given apply to extra effort. Okay, there is no need to apply any other software or any other like drawing scheme. Okay, so this is a very easy, you can just select and generate. Okay, so this one directly to apply and you can generate here. Okay, so terminal strip with the help of SolidWorks Electrical you can generate here. Okay, uh, that cable information if we apply here some bias schemes also. Okay, suppose we are just applying here and just associate with your cable or wire if you required, either here either anywhere. Okay, if required here I'm just selecting this one. Okay, likewise here associate, and just choose your cable scheme, which cable scheme is required, either you can load here. Okay, and based on your requirement you just select it your square, how much conductor you have required, like core size. Okay, I'm just selecting this one, select and okay. Okay, that number will be automatically update here. I'm just selecting this one and this one and just associate. Okay, so see the cable information automatically to available here. Okay, you just simple, you can just stretch here, likewise enter it and just stretch this one. Okay, see that bending is there now, so it's like that showing here. Okay, so that cable information also directly to associate, and it will also to showcase like as a show in image any symbols, either any motor I connected with your terminal, so it will also directly to show the cable informations and motor connectivity and that information. Okay, yeah. Okay, 2D cabinet also you can generate with your 3D model. Either you can create your 2D diagram to here, okay, and it will also directly to generate, okay, because inside of library they have a say schematic or single line diagram symbols also. They have 2D footprint manager also, so they can allow to directly to generate your GA diagram to here, okay, and you just apply and drag and drop. In after that I'll just show you that quickly. One more, I have a GA diagram, so just a second. See this diagram, this kind of GA you can directly to prepare, okay. You just select and just generate your GA scheme, okay, based on your symbols availability, okay, like whatever the symbol you have added, and you just apply and just insert in your platform, okay. So this is possible with your SolidWorks, and you can make it your schematic, single line diagram, multiple line diagram, and you can generate GA diagram also here. Okay. Now we will see the next part of that Excel automation. So Excel automations is a very quickly part, like based on your Excel sheet you can just generate your drawing, okay, and you can directly to apply your variables, okay, and manufacturing data. So it's a quickly to generate your drawing scheme, okay. I'll show you that one also. So with the help of Excel sheet, how it's look and how you can generate here, okay. Just a second, I'm just opening my some project panel, okay. Now I'm just inserting my Excel sheet to here, okay, selecting my Excel sheet, okay. See, this is the Excel sheet, and I'm just I have already applying some applied some variables to here, okay, and I'm just selecting this one, okay. See, this process is going on. Okay, just a second. We have this thing. Okay, now just insert in here. Okay, generate again. So within a second, they just find out that variables and the macro files from the database, and according to that Excel sheet, they will directly to generate, and they can coordinate with your database and just find out that information, and it will automatically to update in your sheet side. Okay, so see, just generate it, and if you see here, this thing will automatically to update. See, this drawing generate with the Excel automation. This is possible with your Excel sheet because we have already make it some based on by requirement our macros, and just applied that macros, the values and variables amount, okay. So it based on that Excel variables, it will automatically to update this thing, okay. So this is the possible with the help of SolidWorks, okay. that quickly to make it your schematic drawing with the help of Excel automation. Okay, so let's see on PDF side. Okay, so based on that whole thing, you have generated, you have done your schematic drawing, and after that, the documentation preparation. Okay, SolidWorks can help you to make your drawing scheme. Like, see, uh, I'm just using this one and just set as a current project. Okay, and I'm just that project report. Okay, different types of reports are available. So based on your requirement, you just select your like report. Okay, like that cable reports. Okay, by a list of manufacturing data, or a list of wire styles. Okay, and when if you require the harness routing, harness report, either PLC, origin, destination, different way. Based on your requirement, you just choose it as your report wise. Okay, and also you can generate your drawing if you require to carry this report with your project. So you can also generate this one. Either if you require to export this Excel format or TXT or XML format, so also available this kind of format. So based on your requirement, you just select and just generate which types of data you have required, and you just click here. So within a second they can generate and prepare your documentation. Okay, see, and if you see here, see that wire style. Okay, that origin side connectivity and destination, that wire numbering. Okay, and if you routed already, you have done routing. Okay, so length also update here. Okay, and total length also available. See, okay, so based on that, they can directly to generate your BOM also. Okay, with quantity wise, and that piece if required, that also possible. Okay, so documentations that with the help of SolidWorks you can generate. There is no required to other third party software to make your documentations or any other requirement. Okay, so this is also possible. You can calculate your wire length and cable length. Various types of reports are available. Okay, and we will talk about SolidWorks Electrical professional product. Okay, professional product, they have capabilities that 2D and 3D collaboration. Okay, you can make it your drawing, and you can collaborate with your 3D model. Okay, I'll show you that one also, that capabilities. Okay, so as of now, if you see here, we have done our schematic drawing and power drawing. Okay, and now we can add our assembly also with 3D model. Okay, so some our customer, suppose they are making some this kind of machines. Okay, this is not only this machine, any kind of machine you can make it. Okay, with the help of SolidWorks CAD. Okay, and inside of this assembly, we are installing our electrical panel, because this can also work with the electrical supply. Okay, so we required to manage this thing. Okay, so in SolidWorks Electrical, they have 3D part. Okay, so electrical directly to collaborate with your mechanical model, and we are just by drag and drop. If you see here K1, so blue color is showing to that symbol. Okay, so see here, like that. Okay, so based on that, by using drag and drop, and we have installed it, and apply that coordination of my symbol in panels, in the plate panel. Okay, so I have just inserted this one. Okay, now I have required to route our wire. So SolidWorks, they have routing part also. So we are just selecting some component as required to route the wire, and applying some information, that parameters. Okay, here, and if I'm selecting to OK. So this process will be directly to going on. They just identify the property panel in electrical side and just capture it, that wire thing, okay, from 2D side, which kind of wires we have installed it, okay, and what exactly the connectivity with from origin side and destination terminal marking, okay, and then also that coordination of wires, okay, that color code and that thick diameter of wire, okay, how much that like the section mm square, how much is there, okay. So this kind of information they can directly to identify, and according to that electrical database they can just directly to route from 2D side to electrical 3D side, okay. If you see here, that first phase we have routed, okay, and then identified. Now we are going for the third phase. Second phase they are identifying, okay, inputting from database to decide and just routed here, okay. Yeah, it's a very quickly process, okay. They can take it five more than 1 to 2 minutes, and they just route it as according to database, okay. See, blue color they have routed the wire, and they are updating now that total length how much is there, okay, and now they are going for third phase. And also they can show you that bending radius uh, error also. Suppose that wire is not possible with particular bending wise, okay, so they can also to show here. So this is not possible, either possible or not possible, okay, with that particular radius wise, okay. So if is it not possible, then they will show you that error also here. Okay, just second, we will wait for complete file routing. Okay, so likewise you have generate this wire style. Yeah, just identify that connectivity and that error information. Okay, so routing analysis also to showcase here that missing points or that band radius error also you see here, okay, likewise, okay. So this kind of error analysis you can directly to get it here, and you just identify your error and you're trying to resolve that, okay. So see, uh, we have generate some few wires, okay, and it's good, okay, our connectivity of wire, okay. So like 3D and 2D you can directly to collaborate like here, and same wire length and that 2D drawing you can generate with the help of SolidWorks drawing, okay, and you can integrate with your electrical database, okay. So this is the capability of 2D and 3D, okay, that key benefit faster, and you can directly to generate your schematic drawing with the database, with the help of database, and like easily to manageable with project data and library data. Okay, and with the help of that report documentation, so accurately you can generate your final documentation panel here. Okay, so this is the key benefit of SolidWorks Electrical. Okay, this is our contact details. So if you require more information about SolidWorks Electrical and 3D modeling, so you just contact to us. Okay, now I'm just opening for question answer round. So if you have required any query, so please let me know. Okay, so anyone